forgot to click on record. I just clicked on record.
There might be, I'll request you to repeat the first option again.
Give me any other stock.
So, sir, ideally after a breakout of the price, we can expect some sort of a consolidation and then a subsequent breakout.
Correct. Because see, without consolidation, without position building, actually what is consolidation? Consolidation means position building. The guys who got the price to this level, they will exit, and smarter guys will try to enter. Now they will either enter short or they will enter long. Okay, so it depends. If you're working with a bullish stock, most likely it will go up. If you're working with a bearish stock, most likely it will go down. So a consolidation is required.
इसमें एंट्री लेवल मतलब एंट्री कब बनाएंगे हम, सिक्स्थ को या सिक्स्थ को बना सकते हैं हम एंट्री, राइट? जब डिलीवरी
अगर मेरे को एंट्री करना है इसमें, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं अपना बता दे रहा हूं, ठीक है? आप अपने स्टाइल के हिसाब से कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है। अब देखो 5 तारीख को ये डेवलप हुआ है, सब मानते हो? ये लेवल जो डेवलप हुआ है वो 5th को हुआ है। अब मैं 5th का डेटा देखता हूं, ये देखो इस दिन पे अपने को शाम को पता लगा ना कि अच्छा हाँ वॉल्यूम बढ़ा है इस वाली जगह पे और कुछ सिग्निफिकेंट लेवल बना है। अब मुझे ये बताओ, ये सिग्निफिकेंट लेवल का जो हायर लेवल है वो रफली 9:20 का कुछ कैंडल था ना, ये 5 तारीख का। हाँ, ये 1985 है रफली, सॉरी 1685 है रफली, ठीक है? तो 6 तारीख को वॉल्यूम गिरा है, ठीक है? 6 तारीख को ये वॉल्यूम गिर गया है और प्राइस जो है इसके लो को ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया। ये देखो 6 तारीख को जो वॉल्यूम गिरा तो इसे तोड़ देना चाहिए था अगर लोग शॉर्ट पोजीशन बना रहे हैं, ठीक है? देखो इसको अभी तक तोड़ नहीं पाया, ठीक है? अब नेक्स्ट डे क्या हो रहा है, यहां पे देखो आप, साइडवेज ओपनिंग करके ये इस वाले जोन के बाहर क्लोज हो गया, ठीक है? वॉल्यूम और गिरा है और बाहर क्लोज हो गया है, मतलब क्या है? डिमांड आई है, सेलिंग कम हो रही है, सेलिंग कम हो रही है, प्राइस गिर नहीं पा रहा है, प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है, तो मतलब क्या है? डिमांड आ रही है। इसका मतलब है अगर वॉल्यूम बढ़ने लगेगा तो प्राइस और ऊपर जाने लगेगा, राइट? तो इस वाले जोन में कहीं पे भी पोजीशन बना लेंगे, ठीक है? इसमें आपको क्योंकि ये इंट्राडे ट्रेड नहीं है ना, तो इसमें 10 पैसे 5 पैसे की एक्यूरेसी इतना मैटर नहीं करती, पोजिशनल ट्रेड है ना। तो आप इस वाले लेवल पे मान लो आप 1685 पे भी कर रहे हो, बना रहे हो पोजीशन को, ऊपर वाले लेवल पे भी बना रहे हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि थोड़ा मार्क टू मार्केट तो आपको रखना पड़ेगा ना, एंड यू विल हैव टू होल्ड इट। इस जोन में कहीं भी बना लो आप पोजीशन को और फिर पोजीशन को आप होल्ड करो, ठीक है? एक तरीका ये है। दूसरा तरीका ये है कि आप जहां से कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा था, ये हाई है ना, इसके ऊपर बना लो पोजीशन को, ठीक है? अब इस वाले पोजीशन बिल्डिंग में आपको एक दिक्कत आ सकती है, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होगा कि कंसोलिडेशन जरूरी नहीं है कि इसी दिन खत्म हो जाए, हो सकता है एक दिन और चले, तो वो यहां से गिर के फिर यहाँ पे आ जाएगा।
यस सर।
तो उतना मार्क टू मार्केट होना चाहिए आपके पास।
हाँ, तो इसमें इवेंचुअल स्टॉप लॉस जो भी होगा वो 1656 होगा, राइट?
ना 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 ना,
या फिर
इसमें
नहीं है?
इसमें आपको क्या करना होगा कि
हाँ,
फ्रॉम अ स्टॉप लॉस पर्सपेक्टिव आप लो ऑफ द प्रीवियस सिग्निफिकेंट लेवल
ओके, ठीक।
को रखोगे, क्योंकि देखो इतना समझ बूझ के कर रहे हो, तो इसका मतलब
यस,
है कि 5 तारीख को बना था ना वो लेवल,
यस,
तो ये वाला लो नहीं टूटना चाहिए।
ठीक।
ठीक है, तो मान लो कि 68 का लेवल है तो 1660 रख लिया। कहीं यहां पे आपने रख लिया या 1665 पे रख लिया। ठीक है, पर इस लेवल के नीचे रख लिया आपने, जो भी इस दिन का
ठीक।
लो है, क्योंकि आइडियली इस लो को वो तोड़ नहीं पाएगा, इस लो के ऊपर ही जाएगा।
यस।
ठीक है, और एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि ये जोन फॉर्मेशन बाहर होना चाहिए बुलिश स्टॉक का, इसके बाहर, इस वाले रेंज के बाहर
यस।
होना चाहिए। अगर बेरिश है स्टॉक, तो ये जो जोन फॉर्मेशन है वो यहां होना चाहिए, इस वाली जगह पे। आप कभी भी यहां पे ट्रेड नहीं करोगे पोजीशन मैनेजमेंट में।
और टारगेट क्या रखेंगे सर इसको?
इसका आप टारगेट रखोगे इस वाली जगह से
हाँ।
ये ये 5 तारीख को खुला था ना, ये वाला लेवल जो बना था ये 5 तारीख को बना था, राइट?
यस।
5 तारीख को आप ये नोट कर लोगे कि मान लो यहां पे लिखा हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर लिमिटेड, ये वाला है। आप यहां पे ऑप्शंस चेन पे चेक करके उस दिन पे 5 तारीख के दिन पे, ये कॉल वाली साइड होती है, ये पुट वाली साइड होती है।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो आप तो बाई साइड पे हो तो कॉल साइड पे हो। आप ये देखोगे कि सबसे ज्यादा ओपन इंटरेस्ट कहां पे उस दिन पे है 5 तारीख को।
ठीक है।
अज्यूम कर लो कि 5 तारीख को वो दिखा रहा था कि 1780 का लेवल है
हाँ,
जहां पे हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट है।
ठीक है।
तो आपका उस ट्रेड पे जो टारगेट होगा वो उतने का होगा। ठीक है।
यस सर।
हम्म,
सो दैट विल बी अराउंड लाइक 1:5 और
जितना भी है
मोर क्लोज।
वट देखो
हाँ,
इसमें तो
ठीक।
इस टू करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, पोजिशनल है ना।
हाँ, ठीक है।
स्टॉप लॉस मैंने आपको बता दिया। अब
यस
मान
सर।
लो कि हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट 1850 के लेवल पे चल रहा है,
हाँ सर, ओके।
तो ठीक है भाई, अब 1850 का टारगेट है।
ठीक है सर।
फिर उस केस में क्या होगा कि आपका जो रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड है वो और भी ज्यादा हाई है।
यस।
ठीक है, और उसके बाद देख रहे हो क्या हुआ है।
यस।
ये पक्का उस वक्त पे 1740 या 1760 का लेवल रहा होगा, जो कि हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट वाला होगा, और यहां पे जाकर के लोग एग्जिट करे होंगे।
यस।
ठीक है,
ठीक है सर।
और कोशिश करना है ये उन स्टॉक्स में करना है जो बुलिश हो। साइडवेज स्टॉक्स में करने का कोशिश नहीं करना है।
ठीक है सर।
1508 है अप्रैल का क्लोज, मई का क्लोज 1611 है, 1611. 1508 is the close of April. 1145 is the close of June. Sorry, May. And 1641 is the close of June. So what is that telling you? It's bullish, right?
Uptrend. Yes.
Strong uptrend. So you can do it. Okay. Let's look at State Bank of India. Uday gave us the stock. Okay, so SBIN. So in the month of May, let's see. Two crore, 6 crore, 7 crore. तो ऐसा लग रहा है this is the one, right? What is the level? Roughly 260 by 241.
Below 7 crore is.
Oh, sorry.
नीचे वाला
270 roughly. 270 by
which one?
254. This one, right? 270 by 254 roughly. Let's look at June. 3 crore. That's it. So this is the place. This one. 284 by 274. Higher high, higher low. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Two 284. Two 54.
254. Yes, sir. 254.
Okay. So July, it started from here. Right? It started from here
Yes.
and it seems that it wants to go down. Okay. Now, it ideally should break out this level from the data that we have, correct? That it should actually try to push upwards. Okay. Now, in this data, from this place, 23rd of May, to this place. Okay. So, from here all the way till here, I see the biggest delivery volume was on this day, right?
May 31st.
31st of May. It is 275, 263. So this is where it is. And this was the day, 31st of June. I see the most significant candle was formed at 320. Okay. Do you see this area?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, ideally, you don't build positions inside. Huh? You build positions outside. Okay. Now, eventually, tomorrow is the last day of the month, and the data will change. Okay, but eventually, the high will remain high, more likely. Okay, and this is anyways the June high. Okay, so this line is anyways going to stay with us. Okay. Now, this is the day when it went up, right? 26th of July. And it went up with a huge breakout volume. Look at the delivery base, right? It broke out everything, right? It's not in lakhs, it's in crores delivery base volume. Volume reduced, price is not falling, it's not breaking the low, right? Do you see a big delivery volume today? Okay. So today's level is going to be significant. The price might consolidate for next few days maybe within this zone. If it does, okay, which is eventually the entire day's range. Okay. So let's see how it works out. To me, it seems that it is really bullish. Okay. And most likely it should go to the levels of 320. Okay. That is what it seems to be. Okay. So there was no position building in this month, July, because the thing was somewhere here. But yes, what you could have done is you could have traded in options saying this is the day when it got bearish, right? Which is it is going against the trend. So it will break the puts and will go down, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But what is the likelihood that it should reverse and go here based on the overall pattern? What is this level? This level is 284, which means it is roughly 285 level, this particular level. Now the price has closed down over here. see on 16th of July, the price is already down, which means it should continue on the downside. It should get bearish. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This day is 16th, right? It's 16th, and let's see which level. So 85, it maybe you can still trade it, there's no problem. So say for example it is 50 paisa that you see here. So what would be the value of this? It will be roughly 15 rupees, right? 1500 rupees for this level. Okay, now 16th July, it depreciated completely, right? It has gone down. There's no reason to break this. Do you think there is a reason to break this? There's no reason. Okay, now say for example you bought it at 50 paisa. Okay, what was the exit? 100% plus return on capital? Yes, no?
600%.
Yes.
Okay, so you get your, say for example you bought it for 1500 rupees, because the lot size of SBI is what, 3000 I guess. So 3050 paisa is 1500 rupees. So you put 1500 rupees at risk. Your profit that you want is 1500 rupees. You get it on the last day of the month.
Sir, on 17th, why it broke the high, sir? Call price?
The call price broke the high because, see, this is where 17th is.
Yes, sir. Outside the zone, sir.
So it closed here on 16th.
Yes, sir.
On
16th,
17th, it closed inside the zone.
inside the zone. So price came back.
Right. And this was the day when it went down.
Yes, sir. Highest volume.
So this one seems to be the volume, highest volume. So so this one is the highest. This one is the highest volume on 16th. The level is this. Okay, so kind of formed support around this level. This was the day when it went down, breaking the lows. So this was the low which was compromised before that. Do you see this? Again magic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So see, the idea in stock market is that you hold on to your fundamental. Okay. Price will go up and down. Okay, that is what the price is supposed to do, right? But at the end of the day, you know that there are underwriters in the market and the way they work and all that. For them, they saw a structure like this. Okay, they saw a structure which is like this, then most likely it should be breaking outside, right? Upside. Now, for some reason, owing to any environmental reason, if the price is coming over here, the biggest likelihood is that the price should do a reversal and should go outside, should resume its trend. Okay, so that is what should happen. So people start betting on these kind of levels, and see, it broke out. It was no big deal. It fell here 17th. Within less than 6-7 trading days, it was back at where it should be. Correct?
Sir, can we consider this to be a case for divergence of pattern and price?
All this is divergence.
Right.
If you will put what you call MACDs also on this, it will start showing you. See, what was the term that you used? You used divergence, right? And for seeing divergence, there is a indicator that you use, and the name of that indicator is MACD, correct? Where is MACD?
Forgot everything after joining us.
Sorry, what?
Yeah, forgot everything after joining your class. Don't use this.
Even I have to struggle a lot to. 1 second. Okay, MACD. Default settings. Say the zero line is here, it went down. It's breaking outside. See, from this area, it is going out. This is the place. Okay. Now it comes back to the zero line. This is the place. Support. This is a support line. Okay. If you will put histograms, use a slightly bigger time frame charts, you will see the divergence absolutely clearly on that. But see, if you are using all this, these things will not come to your rescue always. It broke out over here because there was a fundamental behind it. Okay, I did not come from MACD to the fundamental. I went from fundamental to the MACD. That is why it is successful. Otherwise, it will fail. Okay, so that is why I don't put all this. Now, how to remove? All right, gone. Okay, clear? All of you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll do a few more practice sessions. Okay. But guys, please start doing all this. Doing all this means practicing all this. Whatever concepts I am explaining you, you will have to practice them. You have to see the historical levels and all that. If you see a divergence anywhere, ask me a question that please take this one. ठीक है, पर आपको करना पड़ेगा ये सब.
Yes, sir.
Okay, So, guys, this week our next class will be on Wednesday. Okay, so tomorrow there won't be any class. So the next class will be on Wednesday and the following class will be on Friday. So there would be no class on Thursday. Okay, so you have a break in between, so please start practicing all this. Okay, and please remember tomorrow is the cutoff date for the month.
Yes, sir.
Okay, August, I want to see that everybody is able to catch trades. Even if you don't trade, hardly matters, but you are catching the trade. That is more important. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear, all of you? So tomorrow will be a break day. On first, I will really appreciate if you guys can come back with, whatever you have learned, how to find the bullish stock, bearish stock, this stock, that stock, and all that. Okay, come with an Excel sheet and all that. Let's have a look. Let's do some corrections if required. Okay? All right. Fine. So see you tomorrow in the ITA mentorship class.
Sir, do we need to wait for the delivery breakout in the current month for confirming the trade, or we can trade on the price breakout as well?
You can trade on the price breakout as well, but the breakout should be in the direction of the fundamental.
Right.
All right, guys. Fine. So see you tomorrow in ITA mentorship class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye. Good night.
Good night. Uday, sorry. You had sent an email.
Yes, sir. Regarding actually on sector-wise, 18 sectors we note down. So
Okay.
I marked the all zones
Okay.
for present week, and on Nifty 50 also I marked all zones.
For weekly
May,
trends,
June,
right?
July, weekly and daily trends.
Weekly and daily trends. Okay.
May, June, July, 3 months zones I drawn actually.
Okay.
Same you shown now, sir.
Okay. Okay. So any question you want to ask me or?
Well, regarding trading, I like to ask whether, considering the zone, whether it is sideways or bullish or bearish.
Okay. Fine. So what you do is club your findings along with the ITA mentorship class that we had today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just club both of them because
Yes, sir.
what I've taught there today is also weekly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So use the one that you have created as weekly.
Yes.
And within that, if you see, for example, there is a bullish sector. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then do you have any stocks which are showing green in that Excel?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can focus on those.
Okay.
The same way on the selling side, if you see, a sector which is bearish and you find a red stock in that Excel sheet, then you can focus on that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye.